Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've done a video like this. Normally I have been going live on my social media platforms, so I appreciate those of you who have been tuning into my lives, but today I'm going to bring back the regular old tutorial video, or time-lapse as people like to call it. I'm going to be doing a fill today on this colored acrylic set, and of course, as always, you're going to see me remove the color first and prep the nails and apply a very thin layer of ice ultra clear before I start on my color. So I'm going to do my repairs first, and I'm going to start with forms and ice ultra clear, and then I'm going to be applying the blue that she chose for her nails today. This blue is not Victory Lap. I know it looks a lot like Victory Lap. It is in fact one of our uh-ohs on TONEZ.com. So what an uh-oh is basically a color that we may have had too much of, or I was trying to create a new color or an old color and I messed up. Colors that marble, colors that didn't sell well. Basically, that's what an uh-oh is. So we sell uh-ohs for a lot less expensive than our regular acrylic colors, and the uh-ohs are available on ctones.com. So if you're looking for something cheap, something to practice with, or just some new colors, some new random colors, check out our uh-ohs on ctones.com. So once my repairs are finished, I'm going to complete the other nails. You're going to see me do a little bit of a marble technique on this nail. I'm going to be using 2 different shades of blue and a little bit of glitter. So once the nails and designs are completed, I'm going to encapsulate them in ice ultra clear. And what this does is it protects my color from when I'm starting to file, and it also allows me to rebuild the body of the nail and the apex. So once I have applied the acrylic and the acrylic is done drying, I'm going to start shaping using my extra coarse sanding bands. I'm going to start the shaping using this method because it's a lot quicker for me, but you do not have to use this method. You can easily go in with your acrylic file. I like to use a 100 grit acrylic file, but you can go in with your acrylic file and do this step instead of using your e-file. It's about what's most comfortable for you. For those of you who are familiar with my live streams, this is the 80 grit hand file that I've been using lately. I love this hand file. I got it from Amazon. Check out my Amazon store in the description. Once I'm finished using my 80 grit hand file to complete the shaping, I'm going to create a smooth surface using my medium sanding bands with my e-file. To complete this set, I will be using my comb bit to remove any excess product from the cuticle area and also seal and blend my cuticles. Once that step is completed, I will be applying a gel top coat and then designing. Once the gel top coat is cured, I'm going to start on a 3D acrylic rose. This rose is not like the normal roses that I normally do. A lot of times those sit a little bit higher on the nail, and it's truly 3D. Whereas this rose is going to be a little bit more on the flat side. It's not going to catch or anything. And then I'm going to apply some crystals to complement the rose when I'm done. And stay tuned for the final result. My crystals and my wax pencil are, of course, from TONEZ.com. California Boutique is where I get all of my nail tech nail art. You can find California Boutique on Facebook, and it's California with a K. So here's the finished result of these marble blue 3D blingy nails. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and all of the products that you saw me using can be found on TONEZ.com, and also my Amazon store, which is available in the description. God bless.